Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Smileai token. Ticker symbol is Smile. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting October 8th on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is being listed October 8th. At 12 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Smile, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So their official Twitter, I'm going to put up right here, their X at Smileai official. 19,900 Twitter followers, blue verified check mark. They just joined in July 2023. It says, had a long day? Need a good laugh? Smileai is here to brighten your day with its AI-powered joke generator, guaranteed to bring a smile to your face. So they had their newest tweet here, and their pinned tweet is all about their new Mexc Global announcement, their listing here. They have support articles if you need help with that. They also have a link to their webpage, smileai.lol. They also have a Telegram at Smileai official on Telegram, and they have 23,760 Telegram members, 1,822 of them online, so they're doing very well on both of their socials there. They also have a few Medium articles that you could find linked on their webpage there. So this is a Binance Smart Chain token. They already have 7,030 holders. 18 decimal places on this token, 7,041 transfers, and then they have a total supply of 123 trillion, 123 billion, 123 million, 123,123 tokens. Very much a meme number there. So their joke generator is not available yet, but on their webpage there's a link to it and it says coming soon. So you'll be able to use that when that comes out. Now they do have a full audit listed on here as well. You can check out their audit by Fresh Coins, and that's available on their webpage along with their socials. And a full white paper as well, 7-page white paper with lots of information on there. So a big disclaimer, of course, at first, just like the beginning of this video, always be careful with investing in anything, especially crypto. Now, spreading joy with AI and blockchain. So Smileai is a unique project that uses advanced artificial intelligence and blockchain technology. Simple goal to promote positivity and make people smile in the digital age. Using cutting-edge artificial intelligence, joke generating, and uplifting content, all accessible through a user-friendly interface. Blockchain ensures transparency, and our token facilitates engagement and rewards users for spreading joy. Our community actively contributes jokes, and top contributors earn tokens, creating a collaborative and cheerful environment. So it has joy, security, and transparency. It says, we spread joy, but we don't take ourselves too seriously, but we are serious about security, it says. Our platform undergoes regular security audits to safeguard your investments. The blockchain ensures transparency in every transaction. Smart contracts are coded with care, and user data is protected. We're committed to your safety and happiness. Tokenomics here, it says Smileai prioritizes your safety, ensuring your investments and data remains protected. Our AI-powered joke generator spreads laughter, joy, humor, brightening your day with a touch of wit. And we foster a vibrant community where users share jokes and a portion of proceeds go to charitable causes, making a positive impact on those in need. So that's not much of tokenomics, but yeah, that's what it says in their tokenomics section there. Now they do have a full roadmap as well. Let me see on their webpage if they have better tokenomics. Looks like they have a countdown here. So this is probably when the launch of the Smileai dApp comes out, and they have a countdown. It says 18 days, 6 hours, 22 minutes. You can find that countdown on their webpage. And okay, so there's better tokenomics on their page here. But yeah, basically the same thing. It just says it's a BEP20 token, ticker symbol SMILE, contract address. It's got their audit on there and all their socials. And then it has a joke of the week on here. Of course, these are going to be terrible dad jokes. It says, why did the AI break up with the computer? Because it found someone a biter. And they're talking, BYTE. And yes, terrible dad jokes, of course. What else would you expect, obviously? So their roadmap here is crypto development, launch of the token, listing on exchanges, integration with the platform, establish governance, and ensure security. Then we got community building, launch the community portal, foster user engagement, form partnerships, educate users, and encourage community-driven initiatives. Then we have the AI generator development, enhance AI with NLP, release mobile app, expand content, implement AI feedback loop, and aim for global reach. And lastly, charitable initiatives. Establish a charity fund. Partner with organizations. Set up transparent donation mechanisms. Assess impact and involve the community in charitable efforts. And then it says, follow us on our socials for daily smiles. So go check out this token here. Check out their Twitter. Check out the Mexc global referral code down there because that's where this token is being listed. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. Leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.